It's showtime! Welcome back to another episode with me, the Smoking Bikini Chef, our spooky Halloween series, and today I am a Beetlejuice, aka Beetlejuice. Also, YouTube has a new feature. When you like a video, you can also hype the video, and that just gives me more engagement, so I would really appreciate if you guys could do that for me. So if you have been following me for a long time, you guys know I love chocolate. I am obsessed with anything chocolate, and today I wanted to make my version of a crumble cookie, and we're gonna do it Oreo style. I'm kind of like iffy with crumble. Sometimes I feel like it's good, a lot of the times I feel like it might be a little too much, or the flavor's just not there. So these cookies, the flavor will be there, it will be delicious. So let's just get started. So this recipe is really easy because we just put basically everything into one bowl. So let's just get started. Adding in our butter, and you want that to be softened butter, and we're getting that nice and creamy with granulated sugar and also brown sugar. My goodness. And let's get that nice and mixed. All right, now that this is nice and creamy, we're just gonna add our eggs and our vanilla. And now we're just gonna cream this up really nice until it gets a nice pale color. And do we just love this mixer? It's gorgeous. Now that that's nice and light and creamy, time to make it dark. So here we have about 30 to 35 Oreos that are crushed up, and I just crushed them up in the blender. Also here, this is cocoa powder, but this is a black cocoa powder, so it's super refined. Also, it just has that nice dark color that we want. You can use regular cocoa powder, but your cookies are gonna come out brown instead of dark like an Oreo. So basically, everything's just gonna get put in here. The black cocoa powder. And here I have baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And here I also have all-purpose flour. And obviously, if you're doing it in a mixer like me, I actually have a bigger mixer, but I wanted to use this one for aesthetic purposes. So I'm gonna mix this up very carefully, or it's gonna just blow all over me. So let's go. And it's gonna come together pretty quickly too. This is a thicker cookie dough batter. All right, so here it is. As you can see, it's a super dark dough. That's exactly how we want it. So you know, normally when we make cookies, I always tell you guys it tastes the best when you refrigerate them for at least, honestly, overnight, or you can freeze them for like an hour or two before you bake them. But these are so rich, so dark, so thick, you actually want to bake them immediately. But first, I would use a half cup to measure this out, just to make it easier and even for you guys. Oh god. Because this is going to make about 12 cookies, and what you're going to want to do is just shape them into kind of like a hockey puck. So kind of like that. And I'm just gonna line my whole tray, and then I'm just gonna throw them in the oven. We're gonna get to baking, and while that's baking, we're just gonna start the frosting. So I started frosting some already, but the frosting is really simple. All it is butter, cream cheese, vanilla, and powdered sugar. You just mix that together and you have your frosting. I just wanted to do one with you guys so you guys can kind of get like the gist of how to do it. So I just take my cookie and the frosting, and I just do it in a spiral. And if you don't have a piping bag and tips, that's fine. You can literally do it in a Ziploc bag. Just cut the bottom off and it'll be a circle. But you know me, I'm a perfectionist. If there was a bug here, it's beetle.
Nobody says the B word.
Ignore. And then I just sprinkle with some Oreo crumbs. And there we have our beautiful crumble-like Oreo cookie. These are so delicious. They're just like, they're good if you have like a big party, like let's say a Halloween party, and you want to make a bunch of these. You saw it's so easy to make, and it makes so many cookies. And they're kind of giant. You can probably even split one with somebody. All right, let's split. And that's your half. And all that's left to do is take a bite. Guys, it is so good. This cream cheese frosting just like, it's just a perfect balance to this dark chocolate of a cookie. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And I have frosting everywhere, crumble cookies everywhere, all over my fingers. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I really, really appreciate it. If you stay till the end, make sure you like this video. Again, it helps my channel so much. Also, subscribe if you haven't. There's so much good content coming on the way. And I think I'm gonna do 2 more cosplay Halloween episodes. I saw a lot of you guys commenting Harley Quinn, but with the dark hair, and I would love to do that. But if you want to see anything else, this is your time. Comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Was that just butterflies around me? Butterflies are unpaid actors. Come to me, my children. Oh. That's it. Really wanted to do it anyway. Start me again. Get up and then. What the? And then our flour. A splash of baking soda went in my mouth. Hey, ole, yo. Somebody come and we wanna go. Hey, yo, boo boo day, yo. Till I come, we wanna go. I forgot all the quotes to Beetlejuice. Haven't seen it in a while, so I'm sorry. Cut.